This is a review of the OnLyee Heavy Sleeper Projection Alarm Clock that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys all the features about this alarm clock. And yeah, one of the few things I do want to mention about this alarm clock is that it pretty much does work just like a ordinary alarm clock. So now there's two cells you need to put on the back side of it, and these cells, they're pretty much a two triple cells. So those, the skinny cells that come, so it's not double A but the other cells. And once you put that on, it turns it on. And the most cool part about this alarm clock is the one thing I love about it is that if you are like on the heavy sleeper side who likes to sleep a lot and you don't know what exactly the time is, then this one cool feature that I'm about to show you guys will amaze you guys. And that is what right over here. And it says 10:44 a.m. And you can see here that it comes with this projection. So this projection, what it does is that when you're sleeping at nighttime, it pretty much illuminates. And as it illuminates, so you could adjust it to however you want. So one thing I'm going to do now is like close the lights and show you guys a more better side of how this thing exactly works. Okay, so I have the lights off, and this is right here. So I have the projection in a way where it illuminates onto my ceiling, like pretty much on the wall. And right over here, you can see it says 10:45 a.m. and pretty much it tells the time. Now, if I wanted to, I could pretty much bring this down to right here. And as I bring it down, it gets a little bit smaller, but if you if you're sleeping in a big room, then you could pretty much have it up like this. And as I do that, you notice that the time becomes much more wider and much more bigger. And that's one cool thing about it. But let me turn the lights back on. Now from here, you could set up your set time. So you could pretty much set up the snooze thing, and you could adjust how loud it is. So let me click this right over here. So you could lower it and then make it a little bit quieter, but if you're a heavy sleeper, then you can have it up all the way just like this. And pretty much from there, you see it's dimmer mode, so you could dim this up as well too. So you could set up the dimness, how bright you want it. From here, you have the alarm clock and the alarm 2 button right here too. You could use that to pretty much to turn off the alarm off and on. And from here, you pretty much have the alarm on and on pause. So it comes with that feature as well too. But overall, the quality and the way how this alarm clock is set up is absolutely beautiful. It looks really amazing. I would definitely recommend this alarm clock if you're on a pretty much a person that sleeps a lot and you're a heavy sleeper and you don't know exactly what time it is. Then this alarm clock would definitely save you from the trouble. And I would definitely recommend this alarm clock if you're looking for a new alarm clock for your room, for your bedroom. Then this alarm clock right over here is something I would definitely recommend, since this projector, you could pretty much illuminate and see what time it is. For the people that sleep along the heavier side, then it tells you the time exactly, and it tells the time right over here that you can see. It looks very beautiful. The LED display is really beautiful. But yeah, if I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a new alarm clock, then this one by far is probably one of the most coolest and the best alarm clock that you could get.